What's up, YouTube? This is Ochama Garrett's, just some random dude on the internet, and this is a channel I decided to start because I wanted to try to maybe help with useful tips for YouTube as I learned them myself. And I feel like the only tip that matters right now is that you just make videos. There ain't no really way around it. I've watched. I don't have any. Like, I have two channels with over 100 subscribers. One of them has 207. The other is 155. They are 2 months old, and there's nothing to write home about. But they are growing, and the only thing that has been making them grow has been making videos. It's not really. There's a lot of little details that a lot of other YouTube creators talk about, but I feel like this is the most important part, and that's all I want this video to be about, is to just pick up the camera, shoot the video, start making videos and posting them on the internet. Because, for instance, let me go over some examples here. So you need to have a good hook, you need to have a good thumbnail, you need to have a catchy title, you need to be extremely opinionated, you need to have like energy, you need to not say like and whatever, you need to have really good editing, you need to have a good story, you need to have all these good things. But none of those things are possible without the most important piece of the puzzle, which is you need to create the video. So that's it. Like, I personally would just suggest not even caring about the quality of your video. Quality, again, like, if anybody who sees this looking for information, looking for answers on how to make YouTube videos, and that's me too. So I'm talking to myself from when I first started. I've been a YouTuber for so short of a time, but if I were to, the day I woke up and decided I was going to do it or try it out, the thing I would say to myself is to don't look at any of that information. It's useless to you right now. You just need to focus on making videos. It doesn't matter what they're about. It does not matter anything. You just need to start making content and putting it on the internet. So that is it. And this is 2 minutes and 30 seconds. And I think that's like whatever, I think that's good enough. It really hits it home. It's going to be whatever. Just make videos, bro. Just make videos. That's it. YouTube is a media platform. You need to just make the videos. Everything else will come after you start making videos. Okay? Have a good day.